Welcome back to RsN Hospitality, and today we're exploring the dynamic and exciting role of a bartender. This position is all about crafting memorable experiences through exceptional drink service and hospitality. Let's dive into what it takes to be a top-notch bartender. A bartender plays a vital role in any hospitality establishment, from mixing and serving drinks to creating a welcoming atmosphere. Let's break down their key duties and responsibilities.
First up, mixing and serving drinks. Bartenders must have a deep knowledge of cocktails, spirits, wines, and beers. They skillfully mix and serve beverages to guests, ensuring each drink meets high standards. Crafting cocktails isn't just about following recipes. Bartenders often get creative, developing new drink combinations and adding a personal touch to their creations. This creativity keeps the menu exciting and fresh.
Customer interaction is key. Bartenders engage with guests, providing friendly and attentive service. They take orders, offer recommendations, and make guests feel welcome. Building rapport with guests is essential. A great bartender remembers regulars, their favorite drinks, and creates a personalized experience that keeps guests coming back.
Maintaining cleanliness is a crucial part of the job. Bartenders ensure the bar area is clean and organized, from wiping down counters to washing glassware and utensils. Adhering to hygiene standards is non-negotiable. A clean bar not only looks appealing, but also ensures the safety and satisfaction of guests.
Inventory management involves keeping track of stock levels and ensuring the bar is well supplied. Bartenders monitor inventory, restock supplies, and place orders as needed. Efficient inventory management helps prevent shortages and ensures the bar runs smoothly during busy times. Handling payments is another key responsibility. Bartenders process cash and card transactions accurately and efficiently, ensuring a smooth checkout experience for guests. Providing excellent service extends to handling transactions quickly and with a smile. Staying informed is essential. Bartenders must keep up with new drink trends, recipes, and industry standards. Continuous learning helps them stay on top of their game. Participating in training sessions and workshops ensures bartenders are knowledgeable and skilled in the latest techniques. Imagine you're a bartender at a busy downtown bar. It's Friday night and the bar is packed. Here's how you might handle the situation. First, stay calm, keep your composure and work efficiently. Next, prioritize. Focus on serving guests in the order they arrived. Engage with each guest by greeting them with a smile and making brief, friendly conversation. Speed is essential too. Mix and serve drinks quickly without compromising quality. Multitask by handling multiple orders simultaneously, ensuring accuracy. And finally, maintain a clean workspace, even during the rush. By following these steps, you can ensure every guest has a great experience, even during peak hours. Being a bartender is a rewarding and dynamic job that requires a blend of creativity, efficiency, and excellent customer service skills. That's it for today's episode on the duties and responsibilities of a bartender. Thanks for watching RsN Hospitality. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time!